Hello friends, welcome back to Pink's Kitchen. Today let's check out how to make oregano ginger coffee. This is a very healthy drink and an immunity booster. Very easy to make with a very few ingredients. So let's quickly check out the ingredients and get started. Heat a saucepan, into this add 2 cups of water. Keep the flame in medium throughout the process. When the water comes to a boil, add a teaspoon of coffee powder. Let this again boil for 2 more minutes. You can go with any variety of coffee, be it regular or instant one. When it comes to the brand, it's totally optional. To this add 5 oregano leaves. Let this boil for 2 minutes in medium flame. After 2 minutes, the oregano is nicely boiling. Then to this add 1 piece of ginger crushed. Let this again boil for 2 more minutes. The essence of the ingredients are nicely getting extracted. We are not going to add any sweetening ingredient in this tea today. If you want, you can add half teaspoon of palm sugar candy, but this oregano ginger coffee is going to taste good even without any sweetening ingredient. It's been 2 minutes now and the flavors of the ginger and the oregano has come together very well. Now off the flame and add a teaspoon of lemon juice. Let this rest for 10 seconds. Then strain the oregano ginger coffee and serve it nice and hot. You can drink this in an empty stomach in the morning for best results. This helps in weight loss and improves your digestion. Very easy to make and a very healthy drink. So do try this oregano ginger coffee recipe at your home and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. Hope you like this video, so please do like, share, comment and subscribe to Pink's Kitchen channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates. If you wish to check out our recipes in Tamil, you can visit Pink's Kitchen Tamil channel. I'll be giving the channel link in the description box. Happy cooking and thanks for watching this video. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends.